When you start PipeDraw, a few slides with tips and tricks will pop up at first. These are useful to look at from time to time, but we can skip them for now. On the left side, you have an overview of previous projects, which serves as a quick way to find and access earlier projects. The Start menu provides you with three main options. Open and View is used to open existing projects without being able to make changes. In contrast, Open and Edit allows you to open and make changes. New Project, as you can imagine, will start a fresh new project, which is exactly what we are going to do in this scope. When starting a new project, it's crucial to scale the technical drawing properly before beginning work on the aspiration system. The drawing file must be in either PDF or DWG format. The process for importing the drawing file will vary slightly depending on its file type. Let's explore the differences between handling DWG and PDF formats in this scenario. Starting off with DWG, locate the file in the File Explorer and open it. You will now see a dialog box with the size of the background in millimeters. Click OK, then import the drawing by clicking Import at the bottom right. Once the drawing is imported, you have the option to turn layers on and off. You can do this by opening the properties at the top right of the drawing. All the layers are listed here, and by unchecking the box, the layer will disappear from the drawing. Now let's look at the PDF format. Locate the PDF file and click Open. If you know the scale of your drawing, you can adjust it by editing the scale. If the scale is unknown, you can scale the drawing by using a known distance from the drawing. It can also be useful to zoom in to get exactly where you want. To zoom, hold down Ctrl and scroll with the mouse. If you need to move the drawing, hold down the left mouse button and drag the drawing to where you want it. To scale the drawing, select the ruler in the top right corner. Click on reference point 1 and reference point 2. Enter the distance in meters. You can use both a period and a comma if the distance is not a whole number. Import the drawing by clicking the tool at the bottom right and selecting Import. To summarize, the primary difference between DWG and PDF files lies in the data they provide. DWG files import with the scale already set and include editable layers, making them more versatile for adjustments. In contrast, PDF files are less data-rich, offering limited functionality for scaling and editing. However, PDFs remain a widely accessible format, commonly encountered in today's digital workflows.